cause damage to buildings. These are buildings that maybe are not up to code, right? They don't have strong construction. You'll feel rattling, you'll feel shaking. There could be some sort of damage, maybe some things that fall off the shelf or fall off the social media.
What up, you guys? Shorty?
Shut up, Brandon. I'm scared. I'm traumatized. Felt that earthquake. Felt that earthquake.
So as you can see by the intro of our vlog, and of course the title, there was an earthquake. It was big. It was a 5.3.
I was screaming.
She was freaking screaming. I was in the kitchen making Jamaica, you know. And all of a sudden, she decides to go off. Like, screaming loud. Very loud. And I don't know if there's a tsunami warning yet. I'm waiting for them to say there's a tsunami warning or something because it hit out in the middle of the ocean. And so a 5.3 is relatively big. By standards, it's pretty big. So we're trying to see right now if there's a tsunami warning. I need to research a little bit more. If there is, we'll pack up the boat because we got to get ready.
17 miles southwest of Santa Cruz Island, so
¿Qué es un tsunami?
southwest of Ventura, directly south of Santa Barbara.
¿Ves, Mari? No va a haber tsunami.
It's what's called
No va a haber ese tsunami. No va a haber terremoto. No va a haber terremoto. No, ya dijeron.
Tsunami no es terremoto.
No, es tsunami.
Alright guys, so we're in the clear. They said no tsunami warning, but I'm seeing something else different right now because I see the water actually receding right now. They said no tsunami warning, but I see the water receding, so I mean, oh look, check this out. Look at that little sucker go. Look at it go. Look at it go.
Sightseeing or different sort of marine adventures. Can you talk at all? Any reports from
That little thing went crazy. Woo!
Dr. Jones?
So Shorty got really scared, like really scared.
No.
My grandma, abuela. ¿De qué anda? Tírales.
Ya, barrio.
Tiró barrio, mira. ¿Qué hubo? Yeah, but Shorty almost died in conclusion. There's no tsunami warning, apparently. And tomorrow's a big race. You ready for tomorrow, baby?
No.
Why not?
Pero,
We're ready for tomorrow. I am. I hope she is.
Georgia Shore.
Ew, Georgia Shore.
I want to see if Dina comes out so I could know though. But I don't know.
So, earthquake update. Everyone's fine. Apparently there's no damage. I don't know if you guys can even hear us. Can you hear us? That thing's loud. We're watching Terrible right now, so Shorty's finally no more scared. She's not screaming anymore. She's freaking perfectly fine now, but yeah. So after this video, I'm gonna upload another one a little later where she tries to prank me and she miserably fails.
Stop. I couldn't even turn on the water.
Anyway, so long guys. We'll catch you on the next video for now, so peace.